Who are ya? What do you got?
Good evening, my name is CJ and this is my Wasteland loadout. We'll start with my primary. This is a long shot brass breech completely. This is from Patrick, who no longer is with us.
Did he die?
Not that dramatic. He's
That sounded really dramatic.
yeah, he's moved to United States. But he has given me one of his Pride blasters. So this is running a 8 kilo spring at the moment. Custom 17 30-second front barrel. As you can see, it's actually longer, covered up by a modulus front barrel attachment. Attached to that, I've just done a ghetto work of putting the torch, a bit of dremeling.
How
And
come you've got a torch?
we are doing a night war. These are red light torches, so this will prevent people getting blind, but at the same time, we can sort of see where we're going and generally who we're shooting at. Obviously, flat top, I've put iron sights just for swag, a red dots, both for swag and able to aim.
What sled are you using there?
This is a worker sled. Originally this was running a stock sled with reinforcements until I broke the reinforcement, and then I just swapped it over to the metal sled. Same thing for the catch. I also broke the catch eventually. Again, it was stock and I've replaced it with a Roboman's catch. So yeah, nothing too special. This is hitting about 190 FPS average just because of the extra length to the 17/32. Running to my rig, this is a very ghetto way of doing it. So this is running both a hydro pack. Attached to that is the waist rig. And this is sort of to keep the weight distribution a little bit even, about 60% and 40%, close enough. Right, left, coming to the back, I'm running all singles and doubles. All magazines are my 15 darts. Most of them running the Worker Gen 2s. On my right side, additional 4. This is held by Mazo Factory, and yes, it's pink because swag. My drop leg, this is was originally custom made, but is now mainstream. This is Leathercraft, Alex Cowboy, and he made this for me, which was for a disruptor. This is just running a 9 kilogram spring and an air restrictor removed.
Is that an orange Modworks sticker?
Yes, because it also has an orange Modworks plunger rod and catch. Got my personal admin pouch, I think we'll call it. This is just carrying all my essential stuff, such as my keys, wallet, 3 utility knives for reasons that I have yet to understand, and of course a backup flashlight for emergencies. Dump pouch, a hydro pack that I got from Aussie Disposals. An additional 4 pouches, which is carrying my spare magazines, and relatively can sort of reach after a bit of a practice.
Yeah, help.
Helmets have goggles on it. Again, that's just for swag.
You don't really need the tents at night. Bzzz, full rainbow tack meter.
A couple of patches from Coop 772.
Oh my god.
It's cancer. My name is CJ, and this is my loadout.